How to buy Teddypuff token. So this token came under the symbol of TDP. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is on pre-sale right now. To be able to buy this token, click on the pre-sale website from the REFERRAL account. As you can see, you'll be able to redirect to this page. Now, click on buy now, as you can see, and I'll wait a few seconds. So as you can see here, you can connect your wallet first. So select your wallet from here. I will select the Bitget wallet. Now click on connect. Now, so you connect your wallet, as you can see. Now select the token from here, as you can see. So after you select the token, make sure that you have that token on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now after that, click on buy TDP. Now here, as you can see, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet. Click on confirm. So because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't be proceed. Now click on confirm to complete the transaction. So this is how to buy TDP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.